Today we're gonna be playing Fortnite. Oh, today we're gonna be playing Fortnite. Oh, open. Oh, this is a trade I took yesterday. I lost $35 yesterday. I forgot to upload it, so I have to make 2 thumbnails today. Been getting a little lazy. I can't even lie. Got a little pissed off. Yesterday was not in a good mood. But we're here to come back. We're here to make a comeback. What did I use? USD JPY, pretty sure. Yeah. Fair value gap retracement. Boom. Close below. That's just crazy, bro. I don't know how the fuck it didn't go down. Like, damn! It just didn't work. Like, close, break a structure to the downside. Boom. Order block retracement and a fair value gap retracement. Boom, came down, closed below. And then that happened. Like, what the fuck? Digging my butt. Jeez, bro. Fuck. Alright, we're about to do, I'm about to do all my analysis. And then I'll let y'all know which trade looks the best. Or if any trades look good. I'll be back in a second. Okay. We have a few opportunities. If we look on the 1 hour, we're on this bullish or bearish downtrend. We had a reaction right here, popped up, took out liquidity, and now we're going to the downside. We're in a consolidation phase right now with double rejection. If we break through and retrace, then we are going to target this low. Pretty simple. We could even target all of this down here, which would be nice. Now, if we look on the 1 hour, we're on a uptrend, but this fat ass motherfucking like white dick, we're pretty high up. Mark out that high, this 1 hour high over here. Pretty high. I am not looking to buy because we're on these this order block / consolidation phase where price was doing that. You know what I mean? Liquidity. This is where the liquidity would lie, and that's where it would want to turn around. If you look on the 5-minute, we're in a consolidation phase / like double rejection. We broke structure to the downside. We come up, retest. I just need this to reject, close below, give me a retracement, and then we could target liquidity to the downside with this low, this low, this low. Yeah. And then this is basically the same thing, but we're actually at 1 hour highs. Daily highs are right here, and 4 hour highs right here and right here. So this is break structure to the downside. It looks like it needs to double reject to go lower. I feel like it wants to retest, and that might fuck me over. But I do like seeing it this high and possibly to target liquidity to the downside. But which I can mark out. So that's some liquidity to the downside that it wants to take out to continue higher, or just reverse completely because highs respect highs. The only reason that I don't like this is the exact same thing basically. It's just that we're not at these highs yet. These highs are all the way up here. With this, we're at these highs, and we could be looking to the downside more comfortably or more confidently. The best one I'm looking for right now, the reason I said to go to the upside, I think yesterday, was I trading this yesterday? USD CAD? No, it was USD JPY. But obviously, if I was looking at this yesterday, which I probably was, we see this big rejection, and I was like, okay, I wanted to come down and meet that. So on everything, I could have capitalized on this move down right here. So we broke structure to the downside at this peak right here. With this candle, we go down, took out highs and closed below. I would be entering right here. This was at, wow, I could have traded this yesterday. Made some good profit. Yeah, that's a 7. Would have made 70. So I could have made $140 on this. Yeah, I mean, that's a really nice trade that I took. We have, or no, not that I took, that I had. That would be not my first TB because it's too close. But I would expect it to turn around there. But now we're looking to the upside. Now it rejected this, and it also counts as a liquidity sweep because it's below this low. Had a very big reaction to the upside, and now we're having a withdrawal to grab more liquidity. So now this is the rejection that we need to go above. We broke structure to the downside. Now hopefully we get a nice reaction to the upside, then I'll enter. Here, I already told y'all. Rejected, grabbed liquidity to the upside, taking out these highs right here, and then rallying to the downside. We're consolidating right now. I am confident that it wants to come and take out this low, no matter if it wants to come up and take out this high as a liquidity sweep to continue lower. But it already did take out these highs, like kind of as a liquidity sweep, so hopefully it breaks through and retraces. This just, I'm looking to the downside, hopefully it double rejects and breaks through and retraces. This, we're coming down to this low. I mean, I don't know, I feel like when you look at, like, for example, we'll go over here, like we're at these highs, right? We're at these highs and we kind of consolidate. It takes a while to, go down. I don't think this bitch is just gonna tap these highs and fucking dick like shit the bed. I think it probably might go down, reject, come up, retest, and then break that rejection and then retrace. So that might take a while. There it is. But yeah, those are the setups right now. Bitcoin is kind of in the same place it was yesterday. But I did, I need to stop putting so much money on the table every day. Because if I lose, I get in the headspace of like, well, it makes sense why I would want to trade again. After what I did yesterday. Here, let me pull up Trading Locker. Oh, we're actually looking like we're breaking through there. This might be a good trade. But yeah, here. Oh no, that was not. No. That didn't happen today, right? Or yesterday. Yeah, it's December. Fuck out of here. GBUSD. Here we are. Yeah. We broke. Okay, we had a a retracement up to this order block right here. Came up, took it out. We broke structure to the downside. We retraced another order block, which is this breaker structure to the downside, making this low, and then the next candle breaking it. So that was a order block right there. Came up, closed inside of it, and then broke structure downside. I entered probably maybe here, and then my stop loss was like literally right here. So it took me out in 2 candles. Not the greatest time. So that was like, okay, I'm not done for today. I want to look at other. So I stayed on the markets, and I took it super early too, like at 8. So I had a ton of like hours left in the trading session to find another trade. So then I waited and I waited and I waited, and where was it? That's not it. That's a good ass trade though. This one. I waited. We saw this come all the way up and take out these highs, and it fucking cooked me, bro. It used as a liquidity sweep, and then it came down, gave me a perfect retracement up, closed below, entered, fucking cooked me because it wanted to come up and retest this level, and then it start going to the downside. So, I lost what, $35? No. But this week I'm only down $8, which is good. Last 24 hours? No. Well, here. I lost 16 and then 20. So, $36. That sucks, but we're moving on with our lives. It broke structure downside. Now we're looking, where is it? Yeah, it broke structure downside. Now we're looking to retrace and target these lows. Hopefully it just doesn't dump. We have a fair value gap right here. I wouldn't call this an order block because it actually, what the fuck are these candles right here? This is a low. This is a low. So this is an order block. This low right here. So whatever it wants to retrace to, and then I'll if it closes below this rejection, if it wants to reject right now, then we'll enter. But I don't think it will reject right now. This looks like it's wanting to come down and take out more liquidity to continue the upside. Respect it. Probably going to come up and take out this low or this order block right here. Since it broke to the downside right here and broke to the upside, this is indeed a order block that it could come up and come down and take out, which it already has. since it just closed below. So hopefully we start seeing some movements to the upside. This could be a very beautiful trade since we have so much liquidity to take care of, or to target. Could be looking at a good long. All that liquidity. This didn't double reject. It's probably going to come up and take out these highs over here. Oh. This 1 hour high. Which it might not even just stop. It might continue going up and taking out this 1 hour high. This, let's see how this is doing. It looks like it's rejecting, but this might just be a retracement. The best trade though is this one. It looks almost like unconceivably like easy. Like if it closes below and retraces and then closes below the rejection of the retracement, I solely believe that this bitch is going to come down and target this low. Or at least put me in profit. Like it won't reject up to these highs. Come on, please. What? Well, now that's the fair value gap. I'm tweaking right now. Why did I place the fair value gap before it closed? Am I fucking stupid? Alright, that's our fair value gap. And then this is our order block. Technically, this is our order block. Alright, looks like it rejected. Now I just needed to go upside and then inverse this fair value gap and This looks like it's booming. This gold, we rejected, took out liquidity to the downside. Kind of order block play too, because it targeted this consolidation phase. I don't know which of it's the order block. This moved down, so you could call this the order block, I guess, because this moved down, made this move up. So it came and took that out. This moved down, made this move up. So it came and took it out, and then now it's going to the upside. I don't know if I want to trade gold. This is like really sketchy. Like I mean, this would be the time to trade gold, but it just, I know I want to trade to the upside. I want to buy. Gold is a buying market. Like, look at this. Buy, 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 buy. All day long. All day long. And I know it's going to come up and at least retest this high right here. So I am going to, I know what to do, but it just hurts in my heart to do it because I always respect highs, respect lows. That's my trading. I just need I need to be like, it's whatever. Check up on this. Shit, I want to enter so bad off this. I shouldn't though. I shouldn't. Alright, I'll come back. I paused the video with a trade. I'll come back with a trade. Yeah. We'll see if I lose money today. I'm back. We had a big ass rejection. I cannot lie. 2108. Oh, 21 point. Actually, we have to wait because I don't even know if it's gonna close yet below. And if it does, it might even be below it. Oh shit. Might be below this, so. Who knows? Who knows? Gotta wait. But, this fucking rejected my asshole. I might, bro, it's so tempting to trade again after if it looks amazing. I added this, this actually has really nice, trends, and it's very consistent over time. So, like, almost every single one of the trends, literally, go down, trend, up, trends consistent, down, trends consistent. Even though it's like choppy up and down, very, very consistent. This. Thump, thump, thump. Kinda hard to tell when it's gonna start and when it's gonna end. But we have a double rejection here, so this uptrend might be fucking insane. We have a double rejection. This looks insane. I really want this to fucking go higher, but back to this. We have it closing above this high, and I'm probably tomorrow, a few, maybe 24 hours from now, or 12 hours, not 24 hours, 24 hour, or 24 candlesticks on the 1 hour will appear, and hopefully it takes out this low and breaks structure to the downside, and then we can get a nice consistent downtrend all the way to this low, which could be very beneficial to my pocket. Big money, big cash, big bitches. I'm lying. I don't like big bitches. But let's see. Okay, closed. What is that? Hey, I mean, fuck it. 22. 14. Wait, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to get the highest it is, and I'm gonna sell, so I get the best entry. Still have 3 minutes left on it. If it rejects, it's fine. I'll just enter where it's rejected, but once I see black, I'll sell. Okay. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't gonna go up or anything. Where, let me edit this position. Stop loss. What's this? Oh, right. I remember I traded USD JPY yesterday. I'm gonna make all the money back I lost on that trade. Trust. I think I lost how much? 15? 16. $16 on that trade. Make it all back double. Which, if it hits my take profit, let's see how much it would make me. Take profit. Better be more than 16. $50. Not bad. Not bad. I come back with information on the trade. Don't really care if it loses. I really don't care, but hopefully it wins. I'll come back with the results in 3. So, all right, good news and bad news. I predicted it. It went in my direction, but it's reversing right now, and I have my stop loss to take profit, or what? I have my stop loss at break even. It reversed on what I thought it would. I didn't take any profit out here. It still might go down. We're not out of it yet, but it looks like it's probably gonna smack me out. The reason I didn't take profit, it just looked really nice all the way down to it, so I didn't think it was gonna, do that. So I just waited. Not really a mistake, but what you want to do as a trader is predict where it's going. So even if you don't get a cash reward, you did it correctly. There was no mistake made, you know what I mean? Good trade overall though. We're gonna see if it stops me out. Yeah. We're chilling. I'm mad. It is 12:03 right now. PM! It is almost 1 PM. What is this? Y'all can see it? What is this? How didn't it even stop me out right here? We're $8 in profit. Just go down, bro. Just imagine you flying a plane, bro. You're a beginner. You hit one random button. Phew! Crash. Crash. Straight into the ground. Please. Go the fuck down. Alright, let's did he upload another video? Bro, where is your trade recap? Liquidity the easy way to become profitable. No one's watching that shit. Go to your boot camp, bro. Oh my god, that video did really good. Yeah, I watched it too. Guess I'll just have to watch one of his old trade recaps, like down here. Whatever. Oh, Dick, just do it. Just do it. Break through this low. Just do it. I'm gonna come back after I go to the restroom and walk around. You better be past that, bitch. You better be past that. My bad if you hear me pee or something. Bodily functions, you know. W flex in the mirror. Let's see if I want to eat anything. I am a little bit hungry, I cannot lie. I had a bowl of cereal already. Bro, the sucky thing is about taking Accutane, bro. It's a drug. So your skin dries up a lot and your acne goes away for the rest of your life. It only goes for about max 7 months if you take the correct prescription, which is the first month you take 1 pill every night, and then for the rest of the months you take 2 pills morning and then night. If you do that, your body, the downside obviously, your body feels insanely, like, not lazy. You want to do stuff, but your legs, your knees, your joints, your hips, they're gonna, like, everything, your back, like, everything is just gonna suck. Like, it's gonna hurt. Like right now, well, a few weeks ago, my hips were insanely bad. And they were, like, had an insane sharp pain in them both. Like, even standing up fucking sucked. And while I was having the hip pain, my knees were still, like, fried. So every single time I got up, like, I couldn't walk. And then now, all I have is the knee pain. Still actually sucks. It doesn't hurt as much to walk around, but you still feel the aching. Like, it doesn't feel like a sharp pain. It's just like an aching pain. Like, one step might hurt more than another one. And especially doing things like running, impossible. Like, you can never run like you would if you're not taking it. And you can't jump. Well, right now I can't. Maybe if my knees felt better in the future when I'm taking it, then I would be able to, like, jump. But right now, I normally would have a 28-inch vertical. And I would say right now I have a 15-inch vertical. So that's kind of the bad thing, you know. Accutane sucks for your body, but it removes your acne, like, really well. But it's the most, like, serious way of doing the acne or removing the acne. What is that? What? Why did it reject my shit? Shit. Go down, bro. We got 42 seconds. Just fucking close under, bro. But yeah. That's the sucky thing about it. And it hurts to work out so much more. You almost have to keep it really, like, all your activities low. Like, if you feel good on one day, then you can go for, like, a run, which that's my cardio normally. But it's really hard to do any muscle training. So whenever you feel good and your body feels nice, you just do both. But no guarantee mid-run your hip will start fucking frying you, like actually cooking you. But you gotta finish the run, bro. Like, who else is gonna carry the boats, bro? I don't even know. But no matter what, I would say try to get your steps in, you know. Even if you're not going to play hard, I would advise going outside and playing basketball or doing something. Always good for you. See how we did. Motherfucker. Don't. I'm gonna come back again. If this bitch is not under, I'm gonna crash. Obviously, I'm not gonna exit the position, but it's way too late right now. But while you're watching this video, either tell me what you are going to do today or what you have left to do, or tell me what you have done. If it's like close to the end of the day, or at least if you've done everything on your schedule. If you've done everything, tell me what you have done. If it's the start of the day, then tell me what you are going to do. Or if it's the middle of the day, tell me both, I guess. Write that in the comments if you'd like. Because I normally have a schedule I like to follow. That is probably one of the best advice that I can give y'all. A schedule. Definitely a schedule. Y'all need to have it. What I do is I have my phone and I have my notes app, and then I go on there and put in a checklist of things I need to do, and good habits, and then I put in bad habits too. So I stop doing the bad habits and I start doing good habits, and that ass can like change you. As long as you get into the habit of doing and checking your phone and your notes, and then just doing the work on your notes, like dead ass, you can change into a new person, bro. What is this? Oh my god. I know a lot of people that have got given advice and they say, oh yeah, that's probably a good idea, or they don't even think about it. Please, like dead ass, a schedule would be the best thing if you don't already have everything memorized. Like if you're trying to make yourself into a better person in general, make a schedule. Please, bro. It's the best advice that I can give you right now. But now we got some whipped cream. Fucking W ass whipped cream. My teeth need to be wider. Alright. Ooh. We're looking good. I'm gonna go put this away. Nah, I brought something better. An upgrade. Can y'all try to guess what it is? It's behind my back. You ready? 3, 2, guess. Guess what it is. 3, 2, One. The chocolate. Oh no, that's ass. That shit's ass. It would be good on like maybe eggnog or something. Like if you put that on coffee or a cup of eggnog. I think I did try it on eggnog. It was pretty good. W chocolate. I want to cook something. Ooh, maybe I should cook a pizza. Oh, fuck. I gotta preheat it though. It's whatever. Okay. Heat oven to 450. Okay. Bake 450. Okay. Alright. Excuse me. Bro, I have class at 1:45. Right after this trade. Right after this trade, I have to do some schoolwork. Or my homework. Please don't reject this, bro. I've been waiting all, like, fucking hours. Please. Please. Splash. Splash. Do it for me. Do it for me. Bro, look how close that motherfucker was to hitting my stop loss. Literally on the line of actual break even. It would have stopped me out if I actually had it perfect. But it was a little high. Like the littlest amount. Can you see that? Like the littlest amount. Let me zoom this in. Oh. Sorry. So that's like the middle of my Yo, what is that? Yo! Yo, that's sick. And now it looks like it's going on forever. Oh. Chat. Alright, let me stop messing around. Can y'all see it better? Yo, what is this rejection? What is that? But it's like super, super close to the line. Bro, why is that rejection? It better engulf the whole thing. Whoa! Dude, my dude. Look that way, and then it slowly starts going the other way. Let's make it go down. Yeah. It's like it slowly gets bigger, right? It's like a Christmas. It's snowing. It's snowing. Alright, let me stop. Um, let me. A little small. Okay. I got a fart. That feeling like a shit though, Loki. Let's open up a trading recap that I haven't watched yet.
Build a website you love.
Watch that later. How about let's... Actually, I can't. Well, y'all are gonna watch me. Photopea is where I make my thumbnails. I don't try on my thumbnails. I just had an idea of putting the trade that I'm doing. What the fuck? The trade that happened on the video in the background, and then yeah. This is the... Did I record? Wait. This is... What's good, gangs? Yeah, right here. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know what I mean? Yeah, I traded on GBJPY. Or I mean GBUSD. What am I saying? GBUSD. Oh yeah, it was somewhere down here. Wait, let me go. GBUSD. We're gonna do this one. So take a nice little screenshot like that. Then what we do, go in here, screenshots. This is all my school stuff. Had to take... Oh. Then I do that. Boom. Boom. Fit it to size. And then I select filter, blur, and then you can put on any blur. What the fuck? The fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What's average? I guess that's not blur. Okay, that didn't work. Some of them are kind of weird. I normally do the box blur. Blur more. Nope. So blocks blur down is how it works. This is the Gaussian blur. And then I do that, and then I go down here, and then I do gradient fill, and I do boom, reverse, boom, and then that's how you do the Van Get, and then easy. And then you want to, what should I lost $35, I think. Okay, come on. What the fuck? Close positions. What's that? 1644. 16 plus, oh shit. 44 plus 20, 52. $36.96. Where's my trade at? I want to look at it real quick. There we are. We had a rejection. Hopefully it engulfs this candle here. Let's go back to it. And then I normally put my face or I take a picture after the recording, and then I put my face on it. And then you can say what happened. Like, loss 2 times in 1 day. I might rethink that because it seems a little long. But then I go here and then I give like a red, pink, pinkish white, and then boom, I do that, and then I go in here and here, and then I do outer glow. Right now we're looking at like bright red, low key. Spread, we want 0 spread size by like that. Ooh, maybe we want some spread to keep it close, and then the cup splitty go down. And then we're looking to change the way it looks. That looks good. I forgot the S, my bad. And then maybe I'll day, and then I could wait. Oh. And I'll switch that. Boom.
GreenGoblin01@iCloud.com. GreenGoblin
Oh, my friend's calling me.
iCloud.com.
Yeah?
Hey, dude.
What you doing?
I'm not trying to call because my grandma forgot to unlock the door.
Oh, I'm recording right now, by the way.
Alright. So I can't say my favorite word?
What you mean you can't say your favorite word?
Y'all like nigga girl.
No, Carl, you're black, bro. You can say it, bro. But, Carl, look at this trade, bro. It almost stopped me out right here. And then now it's going back down. But I need it to break through this white line. And it's not going through it.
Yo, Chad, how you redeem your trade money?
So basically it goes through a broker, and then you have an app. So you have the broker, so you put money into the broker from your Cash App or a wallet of some kind. So to pull it out, you do the same thing. You transfer the money back to your broker and then just pull it out through like your bank account, which is my dad's bank account. But I'm not looking to like pocket any of the money I make off of this account right now.
So, what isn't that like $1 million? Are you still not gonna give it a check?
What?
If you made like $1 million on accident.
On accident?
Yes, I'm saying.
If there was a world I made it on accident, what would I do?
Yeah, bro, because you said you ain't gonna redeem the money. And
I would put it all back into my live account and trade with it and make more.
Trade $1 million, but as soon as possible to lose.
Bro, I would full port all my money and then I would make 15 mil. Nah, I'm joking. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, cause like if you lose, you and it kick the monitor and then it is gone.
I don't think there's a world where I would accidentally make a mil though.
you said it's possible. You said you're gonna retire early age.
Yeah, but you can't accidentally make it. Like if the reason why you make money is because the risk you put on the table. So if I accidentally risk my entire account, maybe, but I still won't have enough capital to make a mill unless I trade news and it just fucking rips.
Yeah, but yeah, I've been thinking a lot about trading, bro, because it does sound accurate. Because like working, like like who do you think I'm about to be like working like a slave somewhere, bro.
I
And
know,
I'm not
bro.
doing that, bro. So I'm gonna trade.
Bro, you better get on it then, bro.
Yeah. But I just.
Cause it's appealing to a lot of people at the start. You just gotta lock in and stay with it. No matter how much, like, it's a real journey, bro. It really is hard. Some days I feel like smashing something, bro. And I'm so nonchalant now, bro. You might become nonchalant, bro.
Yo, I'm not becoming nonchalant. I'm crashing every day.
You might become nonchalant. Alright, let's see the trade. You think it's gonna go down, bro? You think it's gonna break through? Maybe. I need a yes, bro. It's going to break through. I need a yes. I'll probably make maybe $20, $30 on this trade if it breaks through, which I know it is. I'm telling you right now, it's breaking through right now because I've seen this bounce happen multiple times. It did not come up and take out this, and so it's rejecting higher. So probably right now, it's going to break through. I'm telling you, and continue to lower, break through this. It's just gonna fucking fall. I know it is. Trust. Alright, I'll pause the video. See you in a minute.
What?
Alright, I'm about to go to class. It is 1:31 and I have to go to class in 15 minutes. 13 minutes. No, 14 minutes at 1:45. I'll see y'all at 2 or something. And then I'll give you the little trade thing. And yeah. I have to end the recording. Because I have to use my camera in the meeting. But I made some pizza. Alright, see y'all in a second. We have got results. It is 2:37. I'm out of class. Let's see. I got stopped out. And it took 4 hours and 35 minutes to do so. Unlucky. And this would be the point where it would fall. But I'm going to learn my lesson and not trade again. Because last video, that's what happened. And I got cooked. See y'all in tomorrow's video. Enjoy your night. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life, my dude, if I never see you again.